Hey everyone, it's your name. And I'm so excited for today's video because we're talking about something super close to my heart packing. Specifically, what to pack for a dreamy winter trip to Europe. Packing for different climates can be a little daunting, especially when you want to stay warm but also look chic. Don't you just love those effortlessly put-together outfits you see people wearing in those snowy European streets? Well, good news, you can totally achieve that too. I put together a list of absolute winter packing essentials that will keep you cozy, stylish, and ready to explore all those magical European cities. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to need a super warm coat. This is non-negotiable, guys. Think of it as your stylish suit of armor against the European chill. I'm talking about a coat that makes you feel like you're wrapped in a giant, cozy hug. Look for something that's both insulated and water-resistant because, let's be real, winter in Europe can mean anything from crisp sunny days to unexpected snow flurries. Trust me, I've been caught in a few. A longer coat is always a good idea for extra warmth, and having a hood is a lifesaver on those days when the wind is feeling a bit. Next up, we need to talk sweaters. You can never have too many sweaters on a winter trip to Europe. They're perfect for layering under your coat or wearing on their own if the weather is mild. I'd recommend packing a mix of different styles, like a chunky knit for those cozy vibes, a turtleneck for classic elegance, and maybe a cute cable knit cardigan for something a little more lightweight. Oh, and don't forget about colour. Winter wardrobes tend to be a sea of neutrals, which I love. But don't be afraid to add a pop of colour with a bright sweater. It'll brighten up those grey winter days. Chapter 3. Thermal wear, your secret weapon. Okay, this is my secret weapon for staying warm, especially when I'm spending hours exploring outdoors. Thermal tops and leggings are a must-have for layering under your clothes. They're thin and lightweight, so they won't add bulk, but they make a world of difference in keeping you warm. I always pack a couple of sets of thermal underwear because you can wear them under anything. Jeans, trousers, even skirts. They're like a secret layer of warmth that nobody knows about. Seriously, don't underestimate the power of thermal wear. Your future self will thank you, especially if you're planning on visiting any Christmas markets. Chapter 4. Scarf, the ultimate winter accessory. A scarf is not just a fashion statement, it's a winter essential. It's like giving your neck a warm hug. Plus, it can totally transform an outfit from basic to chic in seconds. I'd recommend packing a couple of different scarves. A chunky knit one is perfect for those really cold days, while a lighter scarf in silk or wool can add a touch of elegance to your evening looks. Don't be afraid to play around with different colours and patterns too. A bold scarf can really elevate a simple outfit. Chapter 5. Boots, stylishly stomping through Europe. Last but not least, we need to talk about boots. You'll be doing a lot of walking in Europe, so comfortable and stylish boots are a must. Look for boots that are waterproof and insulated. You want to keep those toes warm and dry. Trust me, ankle boots are great for everyday wear. But if you're planning on visiting any snowy areas, you might want to pack a pair of taller boots for extra warmth. And don't forget about traction. Cobblestone streets can be slippery in the winter, so make sure your boots have good grip. And there you have it. Those are my winter Europe packing essentials. I hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and book that trip. Remember, staying warm doesn't mean compromising on style. With these essentials, you'll be ready to take on the European winter looking and feeling amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know your favorite winter travel tips. See you in my next video.